Okay guys, doing a quick walk around. This is a 41 Chevy. Love the pop out windshields on these, man. This is a fresh build with all the goodies, just like you'd want on a nice driver. Got the interior's done nice, seat, all new glass, all new wiring, all new gauges, vintage hair. This truck's sitting on a S10 chassis, power steering, power brakes. 4-wheel disc brakes. It's got a Posi rear, 373 geared rear end. This has got a 400 small block that's been destroked. It's a built motor. 700R trans, 2800 stall, all rebuilt. Really set up nice. Like I said, it's got the all new wiring, gauges, vintage air, and just the right look. Just the right stance. The speedometer is not hooked up. All the other gauges are hooked up and working, including the fuel gauge. Like I said, you got vintage air, cool old shifter, nice cool old steering wheel. New glass, cool interior, fit and finish on the doors are nice. Look at this body. Body's in great shape. I mean, it shows its battle scars on the fenders and whatnot from the years of use. Really solid truck. Like I said, there's your power brakes, AC. Really good running built motor. That hood even closes nice there.